In this video, I'm going to share an easy and delicious way to cook steak fajitas for your family in the Instant Pot. I'm not kidding. Your family is going to love this meal. If you know me, you know I'm a fan of batch cooking. I like to cook a bunch of meals, freeze them up, and spend the rest of my time playing. But I also like to make sure these meals are healthy and delicious. And of course, they have to be easy, which is why I love my Instant Pot. It makes me happy to know that my family is eating healthy. And it also makes me happy to know that I'm sharing these videos with others in hopes of others eating healthy, delicious, nourishing meals that are easy to prepare. So let's do this. The first thing I always do is gather all the things I'm going to need to make this meal. 1 tablespoon of oil. I almost always use coconut oil. 1.5 pounds of flank steak. You'll leave this whole. Frozen chopped mixed peppers. I buy these in a frozen bag at my local Publix store. Frozen chopped onions. 2 tablespoons minced garlic. Fajita seasoning. 3/4 cup of beef broth. And salt and pepper to taste. Step 2, it's time to cook. The first thing you'll want to do is add the oil, whatever oil you're using, to your Instant Pot and turn on the saute button. You'll want to allow the oil to get warm, and while you're waiting, unwrap your steak and season it liberally with your salt and pepper. Make sure you get both sides and press the seasoning into the meat. Once your oil is hot and your steaks are seasoned, you want to carefully place them into the bottom of your Instant Pot. You'll need about 2 to 3 minutes on each side to brown your steak. Once you've browned your steak on both sides, turn off your saute button and remove the steaks.
At this point, you have 3 options. You can deglaze the bottom of your Instant Pot using the 3/4 cup of beef broth in the recipe. Sometimes this works for me, and other times I end up getting the dreaded burn notice. You could choose to wash your pot and then continue on with the recipe, or if you have 2 Instant Pot inserts like I do, you could use your second one.
Once you've deglazed the bottom of your Instant Pot, go ahead and place your steaks back in. Next, add your seasoning on top of the steak and then your frozen vegetables and minced garlic. Place your lid on top of your Instant Pot and make sure it's set to seal. Set to pressure cook for 10 minutes. You'll also want to do a natural release for 10 to 15 minutes after your fajitas have cooked. And here's for the last step. It's that easy. We're going to finish our steaks. I like to remove everything from the Instant Pot using a nice slotted spoon. And once the steak is cooled so that I can touch it and not burn my hands, I will thinly slice the steak. Delicious. I'm really glad that you made it through this video. So thank you for sticking with me on this one, and I hope you have a great day.